For years, building an app meant juggling multiple tools, writing tons of code, and praying nothing breaks. But now, something major has arrived. Google just launched Firebase Studio. And it's not just another tool, it's a complete shift in how apps can be built. Firebase Studio brings everything under one roof. It's Google's new visual app development platform that combines design, backend, AI, testing, and deployment into one seamless experience. No more hopping between platforms. No more dealing with messy integrations. Just focus, build, and launch. This is not about hype, it's about efficiency. Firebase Studio is built to simplify the app building journey from idea to live product. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced developer, this tool changes the game. Until now, creating an app involved using different platforms for different tasks. You'd use one tool to design the UI, another for database management, a third for automation, and something else for deployment. And even then, you'd often run into bugs, data sync issues, or scaling problems. Everything felt disconnected. Firebase Studio fixes that. It merges the entire development process. Front-end, handled, back-end, integrated, logic, configurable, AI, built-in, hosting, one click. What makes it even more powerful is that it's built on Google's existing Firebase infrastructure. That means you get access to Firebase authentication, Firestore databases, cloud functions, and Google's global servers, all with a visual interface that's surprisingly easy to use. Want to build a fully functional app in a few hours? It's now possible. Design your interface, link it with real-time databases, set up logic using visual flows, and deploy it all from the same dashboard. You're not just building faster, you're building smarter. And unlike many no-code platforms, Firebase Studio isn't a sandbox tool. It's serious infrastructure, the kind that powers apps used by millions of people every day. Let's talk scale. Most no-code tools break when you need something complex. Integrating AI, handling user auth, running secure backend logic. It becomes a patchwork of plugins and workarounds. But with Firebase Studio, everything is native. Everything is scalable. Everything is backed by Google. That's why this tool isn't just exciting for beginners. It's exciting for experienced developers too. It cuts out the noise and lets you focus on what matters, building the product. Think of it as a visual aid. You still get the power of real-time feedback, live testing, and logical control, but now, it's all faster and more intuitive. You no longer need to spend hours writing boilerplate code, managing deployments, or switching between platforms just to make a minor update. Firebase Studio removes the friction, and that's where its real strength lies. Even deployment is simplified, no servers to manage, no DevOps required. You build, click, and your app is live. It handles environments, rollbacks, hosting, it's all automatic. And Google didn't stop at functionality, they've added intelligence too. Firebase Studio uses AI suggestions to help you optimize your logic, improve performance, and spot issues before they become problems. It's like having a silent co-pilot guiding your development process. So, why should other platforms be worried? Because Firebase Studio delivers more than convenience. It delivers completeness. It offers the polish of premium tools and the power of professional development environments. Tools like Bubble, Glide, Thunkable, and Flutterflow have built great communities. But most of them are limited when it comes to scale and backend power. Firebase Studio doesn't have those limits. It's backed by the same tech that powers large-scale apps across the world. That's what makes it a game changer. Whether you're building a social network, a SaaS dashboard, a mobile marketplace, or a smart AI-based app, this platform supports your vision. And it grows with you. If you're someone who's always had an app idea but didn't know where to begin, this is your launchpad. If you're a developer who's tired of repetitive tasks, Firebase Studio will feel like a breath of fresh air. And if you're a business looking to ship products faster without compromising quality, this is your toolkit. Firebase Studio isn't just a new product, it's a signal. Google is investing in making development faster, simpler, and smarter. And that means more people than ever will be able to turn their ideas into real, working applications. It doesn't matter if you're coding solo at home or leading a team at a startup. This platform offers tools that adapt to your level, and it does so without locking you into a proprietary ecosystem. You still get the flexibility of using Firebase and Google Cloud products under the hood. What we're looking at here is not just a shift in tools, but a shift in mindset. A new standard where visual development doesn't mean limitations, where speed doesn't mean shortcuts, and where app creation isn't just for coders, but for creators. Firebase Studio may just be the beginning, but the direction it's pointing toward? That's the future. Watch this space, because Google isn't just helping you build apps. They're rewriting how the next generation of developers will think, build, and launch.